find all critical points of the function. We need to find the partial derivatives. So partial of f with respect to x is 6x squared with respect to x, y squared plus 10x, and partial with respect to y, 0 with respect to 2y, x 2y, so 2xy, 0 plus 2y, and we set these 0 simultaneously and solve for x and y. That implies 6x squared plus y squared plus 10x, 0, let's say equation 1, 2xy plus 2y equals 0, equation 2. Now we need to solve these two equations for x and corresponding y. Generally, because this is not linear, so isolate one of the variables from easier equation, like number 2 here. Isolate one of the variables and plug in here in equation 1. Okay, so from 2, so we work with easier functions. So we have 2xy equals negative 2y. Oh, then you need to divide by y. So try not to divide by a variable, because then you have to be very careful. So, but this is simple. We can factor 2y out, 2y, that leaves x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, we don't have to even isolate one variable. We can in fact find the values of x and y. So times 2y 0, that implies y 0. X plus 1 0 means x equals negative 1. So we got x and y values. Using this y, we need to find the corresponding x from equation 1. Now from 1, let's work with y 0. Then 6x squared plus y 0 plus 10x equals 0. Okay, this implies, okay, two terms. We can factor 2x out, that leaves 3x plus 5 equals 0. So we got a product of two things 0. That means either 2x 0, that gives x 0, or 3x plus 5 0, that gives x equals negative 5/3. So we got 2 points in fact. So when x 0, y 0, x negative 5/3, y 0. So there are two critical points here, and we have had to use this second x value. So again from equation 1, now I'm using x equals negative 1. So 6 times negative 1 is squared, just 6, plus y squared plus 10 times negative 1, negative 10 equals 0. 6 minus 10, negative 4, move that over. So y squared equals 4, take square both sides, y is plus minus 2. So for x equals negative 1, we got two y values. That means 2 points, negative 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. Okay, thus the critical points are when y was 0, we found two x values. So 0, 0, because we need to write x first. 0, 0, negative 5/3, y 0, and from x equals negative 1, negative 1, positive 2, negative 1, negative 2, final